Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Google Drive folders for project documentation. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to Google Drive. Sign in to your Google account if you haven't already. Locate the folder you want to backup. Right-click on the folder. From the context menu, select Download. Your browser will start compressing the folder into a zip file. Once the download is complete, find the zip file in your computer's Downloads folder. Open the zip file by double-clicking it to view its contents. Select all the files and folders inside and drag them to your desired backup location. Alternatively, you can copy and paste them into another folder or external drive. Ensure that all files have been successfully transferred. You can now delete the zip file if you need to save space. If you prefer using Google Takeout, open a new tab and go to takeout.google.com. Sign in to your Google account if prompted. You'll see a list of all Google services. Deselect everything except Google Drive. Scroll down and click on Next Step. Choose your preferred file type and size for the export. Click on Create Export. Once the process is complete, you'll receive an email with a download link. Click the link in the email to download your Google Drive backup. Now your project documentation is safely backed up. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.